Hello everybody! Today we're doing the Let's Learn More pages for Unit 8 in Let's Go 5. And today we're going to use not been, not eaten, but we're going to use another one, which is seen. And like been meant if you go one time, you've been there. And like eaten meant if you eat it one or more times, you've eaten it. And seen today means if you see it one time, 10 times, a million times, then you have seen it. Okay? So let's first look at all of the words they had at the top of the page. And today's words are animals.
A crocodile.
An ostrich.
A panda.
A penguin.
A llama.
A kangaroo.
A koala.
A hippopotamus.
Okay, interesting animals. Now the pattern we had looked like this in your books. And this pattern was just asking the same thing as before. Have you ever seen? So if you saw that thing one time or more, you can say, yes, I have. And if you never saw that thing, not even one time, then you should say, no, I haven't. Let's practice that.
Have you ever seen a penguin?
Yes, I have.
Have you ever seen a crocodile?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever seen a kangaroo?
Yes, I have.
Okay, and now we're going to take the same pattern and just use it about another person. So instead of have you ever, let's go with has he ever or has she ever. And we can use all of the words we learned. Has he ever been to Paris? Has she ever eaten a hot dog? Has he ever seen an ostrich? And if the answer is yes, if they did that one time only or more, then we'll say, yes, he has. And if the answer is no, they did not do that even one time, then we can say, no, she hasn't. So let's practice that.
Has he ever been to Egypt?
Yes, he has.
Has he ever eaten sushi?
No, he hasn't.
Has she ever eaten tacos?
Yes, she has.
Great. We have one more thing to practice, and that is making sentences. Exactly the same way we made them on the previous page. If I did something one time, I can say, I've been to, I've seen, I've eaten, which means I have done this thing, and then a blank. If I didn't do that ever, then I should say, I've never been to, I've never seen, I've never eaten. Okay, and for example, it could sound like, I've been to France, but I've never been to China. I've eaten tacos, but I've never eaten dogs. I've seen an octopus, but I've never seen a dolphin. Let's practice that.
Make sentences.
I've seen a koala. I've never eaten ravioli. I've seen a rainbow.
Okay, great. And I think that our practicing is done. So let's jump straight into our workbooks.
All right, it's workbook time again, and these are pages 68 and 69. Part A here says, look and number. So we are going to look at this picture and then take the word from down here and write its number next to the animal. All right, For me, it's easier to just find the number and then find the animal, so I'm going to do that. Number 1 is a crocodile. It's here. Number 1, crocodile is done. Number 2 is an ostrich. That's an ostrich. Number 2, done. Number 3, a panda. That's a panda. So that's number 3, done. Number 4, a penguin. That is a penguin. So that is number 4, done. Number 5, a llama. That's a llama. Kind of like a mix of a camel and I don't know, camel and a sheep. So we'll go there. Oh, not 5, not 4, sorry. That's 5. Number 6, a kangaroo. This is the kangaroo in the middle. Right, 6 there. Number 7, a koala. Kid koala, there we go. Number 7, kid koala's friend. Number 8, a hippopotamus. A hippo. There it is. That's number 8. Part A is done. That was easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, part B just says, what about you? Right. Number 1, have you ever seen a koala? Okay, so this means not like on TV or in a magazine, but have you ever seen a koala in real life? Like, did you see a koala at a zoo? Or if you are in Australia, did you see a koala in the wild? For me, no. I have never seen a koala. So I will write, no, I haven't. One of the few animals I have never seen. Next one. Have you ever seen a cheetah? Yes, I have. I have seen a cheetah in a zoo. So I can say, yes, I have. Okay, and part B is done. Okay, this is part C, and it says, look at the chart. Complete the questions and answers. And this is our chart. So we have kind of a question for both of them. Has she ever? Has he ever? Here are Kate's answers. Here are Scott's answers. So we're going to use their answers to answer the questions down here, which are either yes, he has, no, he hasn't, yes, she has, no, she hasn't. That's it. All right, I'm gonna move this up. You can look at the chart or you can look at it in your book as we go. Okay. Number 1. Has she ever seen a kangaroo? Yes, she has. We can just trace that. Number 2, has he ever seen a kangaroo? No, he hasn't. We can trace that. Number 3, has she ever eaten potato salad? All right, here's eaten potato salad. Here's Kate. It says yes. So yes, she has. Period's over here, so we don't need to put a period. Number 4, has he ever been to the Great Barrier Reef? Let's look. Great Barrier Reef is right here. Been to the Great Barrier Reef? No for Kate, no for Scott. So no is the answer there. So let's write no, he hasn't. Okay, number 5, we need to put the question first. Hawaii. Let's go look for Hawaii. Hawaii is here and it's been to Hawaii. And we can put no and yes. Scott is yes, Kate is no. So Scott. Okay. So let's make the same sentence. This one was, has he ever been to the Great Barrier Reef? So let's do the same sentence, but change this to Hawaii. Has he ever been to Hawaii? We don't need to write Hawaii because it's already there. Sorry guys, force a habit. Yes, he has. Scott has been. Okay, next one. Burp, 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 burp. Fried noodles. And the answer is yes. We gotta find the yes person. All right. Fried noodles, where are they? Kangaroo Brazil, Brazil, Bear Reef, Hawaii. Fried noodles, there we go. Eaten fried noodles. Kate is yes, Scott is no. All right, back down we go. So we should say, has she, because Kate is a yes. So, for you guys, has she? Has she ever eaten fried noodle? It's already there. Again, I'm writing too much. They already helped us. Has she ever eaten fried noodles? Yes, she has. And done. The last one is 7, and it says, burp, 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 llama? No, burp, burp, burp. So let's look up here for llama and find the no person. All right, seen a llama, and Kate is no, Scott is yes. So we're gonna make the question about Kate. Back we go. Okay. Has, Kate's a girl, so she ever, that means even one time, seen a llama? L-L-L-A-M-A. No, she hasn't. Okay, and just like that, with my ugly T, we are done. So, good job, everybody.